Men's early indicators of HIV. Are you curious about what HIV is, how to spot its early symptoms, and why males are more likely than women to contract it? If so, you've come to the perfect video. HIV stands for the human immunodeficiency virus, which weakens a person's immune system by causing a shortage of lymphocytes. You might be surprised to learn that more men than women have the illness, although many are not aware of its early symptoms. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll walk you through some of the early indicators of HIV in guys, so please have a seat comfortably and watch the entire movie. Without spending any more time, let's jump right into the video so you don't miss anything. What is HIV? HIV is a virus that is spread through sexual contact, intravenous medication, and bodily fluids like saliva and semen. When an individual contracts HIV, their body's defenses against germs are diminished, making them more susceptible to illness. The initial symptom of HIV infection is a severe case of the flu. In addition to the fact that a SLU is the body's primary defense against any virus, if you engage in sexual activity and experience flu symptoms for an extended period of time, you should think about getting tested for HIV, because it takes your body nearly a year to 2 months to showcase the symptoms, and meanwhile you are at the risk of transferring the virus to any other person. Although the signs of HIV in men and women are almost the same, there are some early symptoms that people mostly ignore and are not really considered much of a deal. So here's a list of all the early signs of HIV in men which you shouldn't really take easy and consult a doctor. As soon as you notice any sudden headache and fatigue, your body's immune system fights the HIV virus. But it also causes inflammation because of the tiny dead bodies of T lymphocytes that are fighting and dying throughout the fight. In addition to making you feel exhausted and lethargic, this inflammation can cause dyspnea even while you are walking properly. If you experience any of these symptoms and you engage in sexual activity, it is imperative that you be evaluated immediately. Even as the virus grows and multiplies, it also enters the bloodstream and may cause swelling in your lymph nodes. Additionally, sore throat is one of the main consequences on your body. It will raise your body temperature and last for a few days. If you have any of these symptoms, don't dismiss them, because they are all early indicators of HIV in males. Muscle aches and joint pain. Yes, you read correctly, HIV also causes excruciating joint pain. Since young people rarely experience joint pain, a guy is quite likely to be HIV positive if he has both joint pain and achy muscles. Another crucial thing to be aware of is pain in the neck, groin and armpit. This is because the lymph nodes are crucial in defending our body against external pathogens by eliminating bacteria and viruses. When they fight HIV, they swell, which causes pain in the previously mentioned areas. Skin rash, skin boils or rashes typically occur during the seroconversion, is another name for the flu phase. You should get evaluated right away if you see any rash, because these boils resemble pink breakouts and are itchier than regular ones. 3 instances of dry cough. I'm very certain that everyone agrees that dry cough is awful, but did you know that it's also one of the first signs of HIV in men? Furthermore, you are one of the main early indicators of HIV in men. This dry cough is not your typical one, which often goes away with inhalers and antibiotics. Instead, it is more persistent and lasts for weeks or even months. Vomiting and diarrhea. 2 cases of diarrhea and vomiting. A person should think about getting tested if they have diarrhea that is not improving with treatment, because digestive problems are one of the main early indicators of HIV. Other symptoms include nausea and vomiting, and you should drink a lot of water to stay as hydrated as possible. Sweating at night. Although night sweats are uncommon, if you have an active sexual life and you are experiencing them, get tested right away before passing the infection on to someone else. These night sweats can happen even in cold weather, and there are other early indicators of HIV. For the time being, we could only use them since prevention is preferable to treatment, particularly when you are aware that there is no cure for the illness. While there are some medications that can allow you lead a normal life, you are always at danger of spreading HIV to other people. Avoid unprotected intercourse with casual partners as much as possible, and make sure you use needles safely. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.